Okay, now we are starting with 9709 paper 1 to February March 2026. Okay. In question number 1, they are saying the equation of curve is this. This is the equation of curve. Find the coordinates of the station points of the curve and determine their nature. So when we have stationary points, so first we have to do differentiation, which is dy over dx, and after this dy over dx will be equals to 0. So first of all, when we start differentiation, so first I will copy y is equals to x cube x cube minus 3x square plus 9. So when we do dy over dx, so this will be 3x square minus 6x. Okay. And this dy over dx will be equals to 0. So 0 is equals to 3x square minus 6x. Because why 0? Because we have to find the coordinates of the station points. Okay. So 3x square minus 6x is equals to 0. From here 3x will be common. So in bracket x minus 2 is equals to 0. Uh, 3x is equals to 0 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. X equals to 0 and x equals to positive 2. So we got x equals to 0 and x equals to positive 2. Okay. So okay, when we have so now we have to find, this is only x coordinate. Now we have to find y coordinate. So when x equals to 0, so y will be y is equals to 0 cube minus 3 bracket 0 square plus 9. So this will be 9. And when x equals to 2, so 2 square 2 cube minus 3 raised to power 2 square plus 9. So the y will be equals to 5. Okay, so the coordinates we find is coordinates we find are 0 comma 9 and 0 comma 9 and 2 comma 4. Okay, these are the coordinates. Now we have done this part. Now they are saying and determine their nature. For determining their nature, we do d square y, we do double derivative. D square y over dx square is equals to 6x minus 6. Why? Because we have 3x square minus 6. So when we have 3x square minus 6, so this will be multiplied by 3. So this will be 6x minus, and this x will be removed. So this will be x. So when we have double derivative, which is 6x minus 6. So now when x is equals to 0, now when we will put x equals to 0, so to find d square y over dx square. So from this we will find the nature. It is maximum minimum. So d square y over dx square is equals to 6 raised to power 0 minus 6. So when you put 6 bracket 0 minus 6, so this will be minus 6. So it means that it is a maximum. Therefore, nature is maximum. Why maximum? Because this is this is less than 0. That's why. Okay. Now, when we put uh, when we put okay, when x is equals to 2, so d square y over dx square is equals to 6 to power 6 bracket 2 minus 6. So this will be 6 bracket 2 and minus 6. So we got positive 6. So when we have positive 6, so it means it is greater than 0. So therefore nature is mini. So this is also our answer, and these are also our answer. Okay. Now this is the answer for question number one. Now moving to question number two. In question number two, they are saying the diagram shows the triangle ABC with AB is equals to 12, AC equals to 9, and the angle CAB is equals to 0.8 radian. This is 0.8 radian. So when we have radian 0.8 radian, so your calculator must be in radian. Okay. Now, an arc with center and radius 9 centimeter down inside the triangle is shown. The shaded region is bounded by this arc. The line segment BC and the part of segment AB. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. We have to give our answer in three significant figures. So for this, we have this arc. No, yes, we have this radius which is 9. We have radius. This is 9, and this whole length is 12. And we have this. This is arc. Okay, this thing is arc, and we does not know what is this. So we can say that this is XB, or you can say that this is DB. So when we have radius 9 and the whole length 12, so this remaining small will be 3. So first of all, we will find the arc of CD is equals to 9 into 0.8, because the formula for arc length is equals to S equals to R theta. Okay. So 9 into point is 9 into point 0.8 is equals to 7.2. This is the arc. To find, now we have to find the, now we have to find this BC because of the perimeter of the shaded region. So how we will find this BC? We will use the cosine rule because we have 9 and this angle and this length also. So when we do the cosine rule, so this will be BC square is equals to 9 square plus 12 square minus 2 BC, 9, 12, and cos of zero point 0.8. So now when we do this, so we will use the calculator 9 square plus 12 square minus 2 BC and cos of zero point 0.8. So this will be 74.5. So 74.51. So 74.51 and square root of 74.51. So from this, we got BC 74.51. So square root of 70, it is 8.63 centimeter. 8.63 centimeter. Now when we have BC arc of CD, now we can find the parameter. So parameter is equals to is equals to, yes, 8.63, 8.63, sorry, 8.869. This is 8.63. Sorry, we will add 3 plus 7.2 plus 8.63. So what we will got, it will be 18.832. So when we when we give the answer in three significant figures, so the answer in three significant figures will be 8.8. This is our final answer for question number 2 part A. Now moving to question number 2 part B. They are saying find the area of shaded region, giving an answer in two significant figures. So to find the area of shaded region, you have to know that we do area of triangle minus area of sector. Now, what is area of triangle here? The area of triangle here is this thing. Yes, the area of triangle is this thing, this light blue thing. And what is area of sector? The area of sector is this area of sector is this green, which I have highlighted in green. Okay, this is area of sector. This is area of sector. This is area of sector. And this is area of triangle. So when we have area of triangle, so we will apply 1 upon 2 into AB into sine C. In the place of C, we will add 0.8. And we have AB. Okay, 9 and 12. So 1 upon 2 into AB, A is 9, B is 12, into sine 0.8 minus area of sector. Area of sector is 1 upon 2. Area of sector formula is, I'm telling you here, area of sector is equals to 1 upon 2 in 1 upon 2 r square theta. In the place of r, we have radius, which is 9. So 9 square in the place of theta, this will be 0.8. Okay. So now 1 upon 2 into 9 square into 0.8. So by using the calculator, 1 upon 2 into 9 into 12 into sine of 0.8. So this is 38.73. 38.73 minus 1 upon 2. Now we are doing for area of sector into 0.8. So this is 32.4. 32.4. So what is the answer for area of shaded region? So 38.73 minus 32.4. So the answer we got is 6.33. 6.33. So this is our final answer for question number 2 part B, which is area of shaded region. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz fi Aman.